What's up, everybody? It's your boy Steven Condon with Boss Man Brands, and today I want to introduce you to one of my newest products, Boss Man's Rooster Booster Hair and Beard Supplements. Yep, your boy got into the supplement game. I worked with the best chemists in all of America, and we knocked this thing out of the park. And how do we do it? I split it up into 3 different blends. The first blend I like to call the Amplifying Blend. Just like it sounds, it's going to speed up the process of growing your hair out, growing your beard out, nails, whatever you need to get you right back into the game. Second one, I like to call the Strengthening Blend. It's going to strengthen your pores, create a thicker base, thicken that beard, thicken that hair, and it's actually going to stop that breakage from happening. The third one is the kicker. I call it the DHT Blocking Blend. We're not all blessed with a beautiful head of hair, so you might as well keep what you got on it and block that DHT from happening. Yes, we did it. So it's only $19.99. You get it at bossmanbrand.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.